Now, Yamaha impellers have this awesome feature. See this square right there? Doesn't exist anywhere else. It's a little square tab. A little square tab in the ring here, right by the 6H4. That lines up with the key. Okay? Where else on any of these is that little feature right there? Okay? Built into the little raised rubber. We have to get the key for the impeller out of the drive shaft. If you hit at the top and you just shove it in, it's going to rock out at the bottom and you can't get it out. I'm going to hit it on the bottom edge of the key. See how it rocked the top out? Okay. When it does that, you just come in with a little chisel and slowly knock it out of there. Okay. Now, please don't leave that in. When you get a kit, it comes with a new one. Put it in. All right, now we're going to lift water plate up. Wear plate. Inspect it. You can see this one's been on and off. It's a training motor. Now, you need to investigate this seal location on every lower unit you work on. Do a pressure test. Get a leak in any of these locations, you need to address it and move all these shafts, and you'll be surprised where you find a leak at. I'll show you on a big one. See that little square tab right there? That signifies the keyway. Little square tab. See, it doesn't exist anywhere else in this circle. Lines up with the tab there. You have the same thing here. You note right around this ring, you see a little triangle, 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 square. Okay, that little square part right there is where the key lines up at. Okay, so when you slide it on the shaft and the shaft fills the space, you still know where the key is. Now that's a Yamaha feature. But let's say you got a different manufacturer. You find the one with the keyway, put some grease on that one. So now it's ready. So we're going to reinstall our key. Note it's a little down. Let's start at the bottom. Set the bottom space. Lock it into place. Now again, even if I don't have the Yamaha impeller, I still know where the groove is, because once it's installed, you can't see the key. But if you put a little bit of grease on it, every cup has a tab that goes into the housing. Even if it doesn't have this spill out portion, ensure it's set in there. Ensure you got your rubber O-ring installed. Okay. Have the housing exactly where it needs to be. Hold it steady, grab the drive shaft and turn it in a clockwise direction while pushing straight down on the housing. Yes, these are M8 bolts. No, they don't need 13 foot-pounds. That was the impeller housing removal, impeller removal, wear plate, seal inspection, reinstall.